I just want you to understand something. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm up on the roof. Oh, there it is. Where's the switch button? This side is good. It's a little loose. I think there's a spot right here. Water can get in. It's really bubbly over here. I don't know what this wire is. This corner looks good, but it's like I said, it's bubbling up here. It's bubbling up. Okay, it seems like they tried to fix right here because I'm getting a little creaking. Flashing is coming up a little bit. This is the skylight in the bathroom. It looks pretty good around there. Ah, nope, I found the hole. This is the vent in the bathroom. Looks pretty good, but it could be fixed. And this flashing right here, I hope this is not what you paid this guy to do, because this is horrible if you just paid him to do this, the dude across the street. Yeah, and he's sitting out in front of his house because I'm on the roof right now. This is what I'm really pissed off about. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, but this is what I know is messed up here. This right here. And that's what I'm up here to fix. That's what I know needs to be fixed, because that's where your leak is. In that corner room under the window, and that's where it's entering the water for sure. Especially the way the weather comes and the wind blows this way, it runs up against this chimney. And I believe that's how most of the water's getting. I swept up a little bit of water, but the water keeps wanting to settle right here. So since the water wants to go this way, this is the area that I'm gonna build up so that the water has to run off of this spot. I took some measurements of the roof, and I got my measurements of how much material, so I know how much material I need. I'm gonna do about a foot up the roof, like how they did here. Let it run down and follow along the whole rest of the roof. Come along here and do here. I have to be wary of this wire. I don't know what this wire is. I'm assuming it's the telephone wire. If it is, this is the dumbest run telephone wire I've ever seen. Yeah. Looks like a telephone wire. It just runs across the earth. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. I swept up. Hopefully, I got up enough water where the sunlight for the rest of the day will dry it up. I'll be up here tomorrow.